Hey folks, TNT Neon. This is going to be a short tutorial on how to run your pilot light from Witespy on your mega board for the use of a Y6 hex and octo multi-rotor flying systems. On the board, they tell you to use the D8 pin, which is here. That's your D8 pin. Or you can use the D8 pin on the motor side. That's if you're running a quad, a Y4, or a quad P, or something less than 6 or 8 motors. But you can't run the D8 pin on it. You have to, because the signals cannot share the same signal with the motor and the pilot light. Alright, so with you have to go in to get it to run, and I'm using the D9 pin, which is where this black plug is plugged into. The D9 pin. To get it to work, you have to change settings here in your Arduino setup to get it to focus. Alright, first I'm going to show you where I made my changes at, and I like to thank Greg Covey from RC Groups. He really helped out on this one. He gave me some settings the first time. We tried them all and didn't work, and he came up with these settings, and I like to thank Greg for giving me these settings. So basically everything, this is in the DEF, the DEF setup. So I'm gonna go over here. Go ahead and
virus database has been updated.
Click on it. And you go down and you click on the DEF, DEF.8, and you go to mega types. When you go to mega types, get this right here. When you go to mega types, all mega types, then you go in and change 5 to 6, 5 to 6, 5 to 6, 5 to 6. So I'm gonna do it to a fresh one here, and I'm gonna show you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my column here, and I'm gonna go to Def DH. So first thing you see is test configurations. So I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna scroll down. It's about almost third of the way down. So maybe I didn't pass it. Alright, we're gonna go to all mega types. And you notice in the ports, port H, and port H here under buzzer, you want to make sure you change the define buzzer pin underscore pin mode DDRH. You want to change that to a 6, as you see that I have here. Also, you want to change the pilot light pin. You want to change both of these to 6, and the buzzer on and off, both of them to 6, as you see here. Alright. Then you go to your config side. Once you go to your config side, you click on the config side, and what you do, you go down all the way down to buzzers, to the buzzer. Scroll down, go past. Alright, go to buzzer, and what you want to do, you want to turn define buzzer on. You want define the beep on, and you want to find pilot light. Once you define the pilot light and all that, then you get this wonderful blinking light. Once you upload it from here to the board, you get this wonderful blinking light for your Y6 hex and octo setup. So it beeps, let you know every time you go into a setting. This right here is for GPS hold. This is for GPS return to home. All right, then say like if you got altitude hold, it'll beep every time you do that. It lets you know. Also, in changing, like this for arming, let you know you armed it. And also, whenever you change stuff on the Bluetooth, it'll let you know that you saved and uploaded to that from your, when you upload from the Bluetooth. So just want to show you how to get the pilot light to work on Y6, hex, and octo setups on your multi-rotors. And like I said, I'd like to thank Greg for helping me out and coming up with that. We tried several and we finally got it. Thank you again, Greg. As I always say, God is good all the time. TNT out.